Okay, right. Usonto utetile athi ke igama uzomthiya uNthabiseng just for remembrance of unkosikazi kaSakhile. And then it was just unkosikazi waSakhile was not even happy because then realized ukuthi ngathi labantu la sebafuna ukubonda athi lalelani ke iambulance sengaphandle komela abantu akuhanjwe. uSakhile was standing there like he was shocked. He didn't know whether to go to the baby or not to, or what is happening. It's like he was an outsider when it comes to the situation. Yaphela kanjalo ke season 1. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, Absheni, Malweni, ninjani? Hipfukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongona kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Shilo asithamisekangi. Okay, right. So umlamuli phansi uhambe no season 1 bese usiza naye phansi hambe no season 1 utheke namasafika athi wenza umhlatshelo then uThandiswa took the dagger bese uyamhlaba ke angazi ukuthi umhlabe kuphi ke sabona elele ngapha and then uphoyisa athi no ungathi uhambile usiza and then they have to come back ebumnyameni to brief the community onto what has happened. But then on the other hand we found that uThandiswa ke sekabhadle ijele manje, but for me it's unfair. But then when he was saying that the procedure and the protocol needs to be followed, then I then understand ukuthi okay ngomele avele phambi kwejaji bese uyakhuluma ke it was a self defense yara yini, but does not give away the fact yokuthi usejele. Umntana yakhe akajabulanga neze ukuthi okay, but then she saved all of our lives. 3 lives were saved, but then nakho ke wena soyambopha kwenzakalani. I have no idea as well. Well, on the other hand, uSonto watetiswa umkaka Sakhile. How does that sound? Like and then umuntu lo baceda kumsiza akana sorry akana thank you akana thanking ngiyabonga yena all she's gunning for uSakhile. There's a new empire in town and that empire include uNcuka. Guys, kusazoshuba, it's like a shubile town and I don't know the name of the other new guy yet, but ungathi kusazoshuba ke abanye uThimba washawa ngeshamboko bafuna imali, and then this actually makes Mr. Mayor to be very happy because now it means that he's going to take over the empire. But ngathi kuzoba nokukhalela kwesihlalo. I just don't know how. Mpendulo is very angry and he's very aggressive. It looks like he's going to do something. What? I don't know.